show you how you can make $100 per day as a brand new affiliate marketer in 2022. Let's get it. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom, but more importantly, quit those 9-to-5 jobs that you absolutely hate. Why do I say that? Because I hated my job as an electrical engineer. Guys, I started my online business in 2019. Within 9 months of starting this affiliate business, I quit my job in March of 2020. So if you want to do that, guys, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now guys, the first step to making $100 a day as a brand new affiliate marketer is to find a program that's going to pay you $100. Now, this is not absolutely necessary, but to make $100 a day, I think this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to show you a program that literally pays you $100 just when one person signs up. Let me show you. Now guys, this is the GetResponse affiliate program, and as you can see here, they pay you $100 for everyone that signs up, okay? Now, obviously they have two different types of programs to choose from. They have the $100 one-time payment, but they also have the 33% for, you know, if someone pays every single month, then they give you 33% commission. I actually prefer this method here, but if you're looking to make your first $100, then you could always start with the $100 first, and then switch over to like a 33% monthly reoccurring commission. That's the first step, guys, is we need to find an offer that's gonna pay us. Now, I like this offer here because I actually promote this offer and I actually make a lot of money with this program every single month. As you can see here, in the last month, they paid me out over $1,700 with the GetResponse affiliate program. So guys, once we figure out which program we're gonna promote, then we can head over to step number 2. The first step is we need to find a program to promote, right? So find an offer, okay? In this case, we're gonna go with the GetResponse affiliate program, okay? So I'm just gonna put here. Now the next step is really important, okay guys? And this is where you can start making money in the long term. And so step number 2 is we need to build out a funnel, okay? More specifically, I'm going to show you this funnel that you need to build out, and then towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally copy and paste this exact same funnel so it can sell it for you, okay? So basically, we need a funnel just like this, okay? And it's going to collect an email, all right? Really, really important. I'm going to explain this in just a second, but this funnel here, okay, it's gonna have a headline here. And if you don't know what a funnel is, guys, it's essentially just a web page where it collects email addresses, okay? So basically this funnel is gonna go to the offer. And in this case, the offer is GetResponse, right? So I'm gonna put GetResponse offer. So obviously when someone goes to your funnel, okay, you send someone to this funnel, they enter their email address and then they go to the offer. And when they buy this offer, you make money. Very simple. Now, the important thing here is we're collecting an email. That way we're building our own list, okay? And this email list is the most important part because now we have this list of emails that we can now promote multiple offers. Not only can we send them back to this offer, but we can send them back to other offers as well. And this is where it becomes extremely powerful because not only do we get to send people to one offer, we can send them multiple offers in that niche, right? So if this person is interested in something like GetResponse, they might be interested in other softwares, other programs that are going to help them get the result that they want. Now guys, this is the simple method on how to start making $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can copy and paste my exact funnel that sells GetResponse for you and actually 12 other affiliate programs. Now guys, the GetResponse affiliate program is a great offer, but how would you guys like to promote not only this offer, but multiple offers? Okay, now let me show you something, guys. Now guys, this is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, and it's essentially the same thing that I drew out, but instead of promoting just one offer, right? So before I showed you how to promote the GetResponse offer, we're doing the same thing here, but we're building a list that promotes multiple offers, guys, as you can see right here, okay? So we have multiple offers that the affiliate stacking ecosystem promotes, okay? Now, how does this work and how can you copy this for yourself, okay? And I'm gonna show you how you could do this by the end of today, okay? This is my funnel here, okay? This is a funnel that I built out. As you can see here, I'm able to collect an email address, but as you can see here, I wrote this book, okay? Now within this book, and this is what the book looks like here, you can actually go to this book, and within the book, I promote multiple different offers, okay? GetResponse, ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, Freedom Breakthrough, the 3-day challenge, literally a ton of offers in this actual book, okay? Now, what I do for my students is I literally give them white label rights. So I let them use this exact same funnel to use as their own. But the best part about it is I let them use their links, right? So I actually let you download this book as your own. And then once you download it, I let you copy and paste your links into this. That way you can start making money, okay? And that's what I do for my students that join the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Is not only do I teach them the skills on how to build their own affiliate stacking ecosystem, but I show them, or I give them the resources to actually get started today. Now guys, if you want to be able to copy and paste my exact same funnel, my exact same book, and use it as your own, I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to allow you to copy my funnel and my resources to use as your own. But the most important part in that 3-day challenge is I'm going to show you the skills that you need to be able to build a long-term and sustainable business. I built this program to help you not only make money, to make your first $100 per day, but the most important part is to leave your 9-to-5 job if that's what you're looking to do. Because when I first started, I wanted financial and I wanted time freedom. So guys, that's why I built this program, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. If you want access to that, I'm gonna leave a link to that down below, guys. And I hope this video was of value on how you can start making your first $100 a day with affiliate marketing in 2022. Guys, if you found any value in this video, please comment down below, like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. We'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.